How to overcome self-doubt and unlock your true potential. Have you ever felt like you're not good enough? Like no matter how hard you try, there's a voice in your head telling you that you're not capable. You're not alone. Self-doubt is one of the biggest barriers to success. But what if I told you that self-doubt is just an illusion, one that you can break free from? Part 1. Understanding. Self-doubt. Self-doubt is like a chain holding you back from reaching your full potential. It's fueled by fear of failure, fear of judgment, and fear of the unknown. But here's the truth. Every successful person you admire has felt self-doubt. The difference? They didn't let it stop them. Part 2. Steps to overcome self-doubt. 1. Reframe your thoughts. Background. A person replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Instead of saying, "I'm not good enough," say, "I am learning and improving every day." Your mind believes what you repeatedly tell it. 2. Take action despite fear. Confidence doesn't come before action, it comes from action. The more you do, the more capable you feel. 3. Stop comparing yourself to others. Your journey is unique. The only person you should compare yourself to is who you were yesterday. 4. Celebrate small wins. Success is built on small, consistent actions. Celebrate every step forward, it's proof that you're growing. Part 3. The power of belief. The greatest breakthroughs in life happen when you believe in yourself, even when no one else does. You have everything you need to succeed. The only thing standing in your way is self-doubt. And now, you know how to defeat it. If this video inspired you, don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing content. Keep pushing forward, because your potential is limitless.